Nirevolusyonaryo lang yung bata. Yun lang naman yun. May paniniwala yung bata, meron siyang adhikain. Siguro dapat po respetuhin naman natin yun. Hindi lang po siguro sa edad natin pare-parehas, hindi natin siya ka-generation. Pero may pinaglalaban po yung bata, respetuhin natin yung bata. Yun lang po.
Senator Robin Padilla nagbigay ng kanyang opinyon ukol sa pag-uugali ni Cavite 4th Representative Kiko Barzaga. Kiko Barzaga. Hot topic ngayon sa social media ang pangalang Kiko Barzaga. Ito ay matapos ang mga matatapang na pahayag ng batang kongresista laban sa dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Gayon din ang mga inaasal umano nito sa loob ng Kongreso at nakakabahala na. Kasunod nito, inihayag ni National Unity Party Chairperson at Antipolo City Representative Ronaldo Puno na magsasampa ang kanilang partido ng ethics complaint laban kay Dasmariñas City Representative Francis Barzaga. Ayon kay Puno, ito ay dahil sa umano'y asal ni Barzaga na nakakasira sa dignidad ng mababang kapulungan at nagpapahina sa tiwala ng publiko sa mga demokratikong institusyon. Ipinagtanggol naman ni Robin Padilla ang batang kongresista, ayon kay Robin. May sariling paniniwala at adhikain. Nakarapatan naman daw ni Barzaga na dapat respetuhin ng lahat. Wala din daw umano itong sinasaktang pisikal. Dagdag pa ni Robin, maaring generation gap ang problema, kaya maraming kongresista ang hindi nakakaintindi sa batang mambabatas.
You should not be rewarded, di ba? So, speaking of that, the Ethics Committee, ang tanong ko ito, sir, gusto niyo na pa-imbestigahan si Kiko Barzaga, right? Si Congressman Barzaga who suddenly said, I want to be speaker. Okay, what is it about him? He is a party mate. I've seen the posts on social media na niyayakap niya ang pera, parang romantic on a weekend, tapos hawak niya yung pera na dun sa drawer. Yeah, what is going on? No, the public doesn't really know him well.
Yeah. That's part of the standards of behavior that I want to be brought to light and to know by everyone. And it's not just that. It's not just the lewd photos that he posts. No, it's the behavior in Congress. No, I mean barging into people's offices. Total lack of decorum. No, but again, he is the son of one of our closest friends and allies in the NUP. His father helped me found and organize this party. He has a special place with us. That's why there were some misgivings. As I said already, and I don't want to emphasize it too much, but he's really unwell. No? I mean, and we knew this from the start, but we didn't know how this would go. No? And when he was recommended by the chapter of Dasmariñas Cavite, obviously we just took him in, and I signed his certificate of nomination and acceptance, his CONA for his candidacy. And we, the first couple of months he was quiet. He was not talking to anyone. He's actually a loner, and he would just be by himself, eating lunch at the lounge, on his cell phone and stuff. No? So it was all simply like that. And then I was surprised actually when this whole thing started, because it just started with some people saying, oh, si Kiko is saying, people should sign a petition against the speaker. Our party. We cannot do...
Pagdating ko si Mama, malinis na ba lahat?
Yung ba niya nilamahan?
Tumabag ko pa sa please.
Nirevolusyonaryo lang yung bata. Yun lang naman yun. May paniniwala yung bata, meron siyang adhikain. Siguro dapat po respetuhin naman natin yun. Wala naman siyang pisikal na inaaway. Karapatan niya yun. Bagay sa kamara yan, wala tayong kapangyarihan dyan. Pero Para po sa akin, karapatan ng bata yon kung ano yung nasa loob niya. Basta wala siyang physical na sasaktan dyan. Expression na yun Generation gap yan, sir. May generation gap. Talagang ganyan ang generation nila Hindi po yan usapin siguro ng may sakit yung bata o unwell yung bata. Siguro talagang hindi lang po siguro sa edad natin pare-parehas. Hindi natin siya ka-generation. Pero may pinaglalaban po yung bata. Respetuhin natin yung bata. Yun lang po. May kanya-kanya po tayong paniniwala. Pakikibaka. Sa inyo po yan, sa kamera yan. Bilib lang ako dito sa batang ito. Yun lang po. Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Sa lahat po ng nanonood.